My laptop is really slow. I can't access the VPN, or the software license won't work. When IT requests come in through emails, things get ignored, and your team's productivity hits a wall. Today on Prompt to App, we will create an app to manage the entire IT process, from the ticket lifecycle and status monitoring to a full service catalog, all using a single prompt. Here's exactly what we are going to ask Zia, Zoho's AI assistant. Right after we provide our requirements, Zia designs a custom data model specifically for our app. It builds out the necessary forms, defines the connections between them, and implements the business rules that will govern our workflow. The backend is completely flexible too. The system gives us a perfect prototype that we can generate again, or refine as our needs evolve. Now let's tour the application. We have a service request module to open a request for an asset or service. The status tracker provides a clear view of where every ticket stands, from new to resolved. You can also execute logic such as notify, update, or delete based on the change in status of the service request. There are workflows set up that would route the service request through multi-user, multi-stage workflows to assignment groups based on business rules. And you can also maintain a service catalog that organizes assets and services into a navigational hierarchy. And that's a complete app to manage all your IT processes, built in minutes. You'll find the prompt we used in the description below. Just paste it into Zoho Creator to get started, or write your own prompt and build the app your way.